Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Eugenia here with us this morning. And Eugenia came in yesterday with her father. They're from Brooklyn, New York, and they came down here for chiropractic adjustments. And so we saw both of them yesterday. I sent her dad out for further diagnostic testing because of some risk factors that he had for atherosclerosis in his carotid and vertebral arteries. We got those back and he got cleared. So we adjusted him yesterday evening, but we're going to show you how we adjusted Eugenia. Let's have you relax your arms to your sides and bend your head forward and backwards. And then neutral. And see, I can tell she's a side sleeper because her head's way forward and is translated over to the left. She's also got her pelvis translated to the left of center too, and she sleeps on her left side mostly, right?
Yes, correct.
Yep. Alright, so we've already adjusted her for the first time over on the BioPhysics table, and we did the first spinal decompression yesterday, and this will be her second one. Go ahead and lay on back. Yeah, just keep it this way just a little bit more. There you go. How long of a flight is that from New York to here?
3.5 hours.
3.5 hours, that's not bad.
That's not bad at
all. Okay. How's everybody been treating you here in Houston?
Very nice, very polite.
Yeah. You say yes sir and no sir and yes ma'am, no ma'am.
Yes, correct.
What do y'all say in Brooklyn?
We say, all right.
All right.
All right. Or, okay, whatever.
All right. Nice deep breath through your nose. There you go. Super. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Yes.
Yep. Good job. Yep.
Took my breath away.
Yep. All right. Dropping my hands. That a girl. Boy, oh boy. Perfect. I love you. I had to say it.
Is your signature,
It's one of my lines.
Oh. I felt that down to my toes.
Okay, let's come over here on your tummy next, please.
Yeah, whoop, careful.
There we go. Yes, ma'am. Okay, legs are even today. That's a good start. That tightens up a little bit still.
Yes.
Yep. Okay, so I'm going to adjust your left SI joint first. Slide up in here a little bit more. There you go. That's better. There's L5. That's probably sore. L4. See, that's that lower thoracic area I was talking about. Yours moves quite well on this table, so I don't have to use the knee chest table on you. Yep, see? Good. Okay, no, don't get up yet.
Okay.
Stayed even, and tell me if this tightens up as much as the first one did.
No.
Okay.
A little better.
There. You're going to feel your head popping up a little bit on this one. Okay, just relax your shoulders. There you go. That's it. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please. Slide down this way. There. Good. Okay, let's put your arms straight out to the sides, palms up. Slide down a little bit more for me. There you go. There. Relax your hands on your tummy. Let me have your leg here. There you go. Should have felt that in your knee all the way up to your lower back. There we go. Good. Okay, let's take you up face towards your dad. Just relax your arm. Keep your chin up, remember? There we go. Good. That's it.
Thank you.
And we're not done yet. There we go. There. There we go. Okay, let's come over here. And have you stand face the mirror again. And we're going to have you flex your head forward and backwards again. And then back to neutral. Yep, take a look. So you're still a little forward, but you're more centered. Hold those up and back. Let these guys way back here. We're going to bring the head straight back. And look at the wall behind you. There we go. Okay. Now, try that very same thing again. How'd that feel compared to the first one?
Much better.
Smoother? Yeah, you're more even down here and up here. So, they got a lot of chiropractors in the 5 boroughs of New York City.
They do.
So, what made you decide to come to Houston for chiropractic care?
Yeah, because I see you on YouTube and I see how dedicated you are to your, care here.
Oh.
You know, and I see how, profound you talk towards every time that you are adjusting people, and how you're dedicated to this, profession, correct?
And our patients.
And your patients, and I see also that you treat the cause,
Right.
Like you're trying to help people, and it's not about just money or just doing anything simple.
Have you had chiropractic care before here?
No, not here. But
no, I don't mean here. I mean up in New York.
In Brooklyn, yes, and it's just been simple, like 1, 2, 3, go. But meanwhile, you take your time and you do what you gotta do to really help.
For sharing your experience with everyone.
Yes.
And we noticed that a lot of you guys who are watching our YouTubes aren't subscribed to our YouTube channel, so please subscribe to both of our YouTube channels, Advanced Chiropractic Relief LLC. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.